로스잖아요. 로스 딱되잖아요. 이야기는 말이에요. 와, 이내다 지금 잡을거네. 아니, 샤도 든다도. 아니, 나와도 로스진 먼저 시작이 어렵다. 자자다 지금 잡을거네다 들로사버리. 로사버 고추리. 자, 당연히 뒤주 그리는 주주도 와. 뒤주 주로도 첩지 지금 뭐여기 내단데 주주도 와. 자상간 가면서 다 들여한다. 로사베 땅 고추디야래. 당연히 로디 나라라. 야, 내주 사바 근데 중국도 와. 대도 뜸버지기 아주 매주셔가도 백해신 모르셔. 사진 콜도 스코르 좀 맞아보세. 직세. 니네 만한저다 차를 다 튼두지 되기 뒤지 요동야게 누게 요마다 땅 아주 밀래 그래서 뒤지 사와 용기를 양안한 좀 싸움당네 그래서 다 탑시 딘듯이잖아 아주 중재 딘듯이 용 시그리 삼바지 땅 아주 미체토야래 자 딘듯이 인도다 로사바디 나로래야 다 아주 가르치야도 와. 차진뒤 또 스코어 때문에 수주 코로코로는 시심해 보세. 싸움싸웠다. 그래야지 뺏겨서 그래.
So today also happened to be the first day of the 2018. Of course, when we talk about New Year, we are talking about a conventionally designated point of time. If you ultimately examine what exactly is a year, you don't really find it because year is composed of months and months are composed of weeks, weeks are composed of days. When you analyze in that manner, it's very difficult to pinpoint and say this is the year. But on the other hand, we live in a world governed by conventions and norms, and according to the convention, today is the first day of 2018. So as we remember this important day, being a first day of the new year, it is also, important for us to think about time. Time will always move on. And, we can never stop time. But as human beings, we also have in our hands what we do with the time, what we do during that time. And here, one thing that I would like to suggest is that as we begin this new year, we should really kind of approach the year with a kind of a new way of thinking so that we don't live our life, we don't conduct our everyday life just as it is usual, just as business as usual. Because if we do things by approaching business as usual, we never really change. So it's important that we look at new moments of time because new moments of time will also open up new opportunities. And to seize the new opportunities, it's only the human beings who have that capability. Animals will only go through the passage of time. They cannot plan ahead. They cannot prepare. They cannot anticipate in a long-term basis. We humans have that capacity because of our gifted of intelligence. So one thing that I would like to suggest to the members of this institute is to approach the year not just as another year, just another year, but really seek out new opportunities. And because time always changes, and as time changes, there are new ways needed to adapt to the changing times and circumstances. So therefore, it is important to always bring a kind of a fresh perspective to changing times.
다 개체시디 아주 레버 쪽으로 레버베 톰스 맞대버체 차진 코르도 우스 맞대버체 시다 레버 쪽야 리아 초용근내주도 통체도 백해서 버리셔 처치기내주 장장도 통되나 아니 레벨 니버디 저도 말해 그 초용근내주도 상담이나 아주 레버디 믹스의 유니버시티와 따뜻하게 초용근 내주 또베 통네 따뜻히 팬배 모진 교아데 레버지고 제토 말에 학성과래 자상가 뭐는 전에게 남주기 싫었다 학교 삼바 숨도 제가 통하는 로고에 뺏겨지 모래 드리크스 전문이 뛰간 게 역적 로버가 여대버지겠다. 디게디 민 남주가 타네 폐지 영대기 요래. 하삼 상부되게 만담을 쳐. 남주지고 타는 저때도 애니코에 지 채식 밑장 통동 그 삼무스탄 된데 그 타네 애니 역도 먹고 싶은데 그 도가. 자 된데 인도 안저다 뭐네 지기 남주기 싫을 때다. 샴뱅가 학교에서 뭐 숨도 제고 하지 뺏겨지고 그러셔.
So another important point I would like to emphasize here, given that this is an institute for learning, is the need to constantly shake up our brain. Don't leave the brain as if it's got no task. So we need to shake up our brain, and the best way to shake brain is to make sure that we are not fixated on a one-sided perspective or one-sided vision of the reality. One needs to develop a kind of a multifaceted understanding of reality, which then throws up all sorts of angles of approaching a situation. So in this way, one will be able to utilize the human intelligence, the brain that we have. And of course, in order for that brain and intelligence to be utilized in a constructive way, then the brain and education alone is not adequate. It needs to be guided by good motivation, a motivation of compassion and kindness. So therefore, what is required is a skillful union of intelligent brain as well as compassionate motivation. And if we are able to combine these two, then we will be successful.
아니, 되게 안도 공도 숭실 낭년저 제 원래 제배다 숭실배 단답에 첨부셔 숭니. 샤이 오청소 난 인도에서 시작했는데 딱 거의 내줄이야. 나한테 류부디 안다 산나살 때려 등에 삼로디 도시장 반조돼 버려.
So, all the previous speakers spoke really eloquently and also in a very comprehensive manner and pretty much covered all the points that I wanted to share with you. So there's nothing to add. And furthermore, the fact is that although I'm physically here on the stage, but my mind is already in Bodh Gaya.
자사가 다 시작하겠는데